As a property owner, I recognize the value and importance of taking care of my properties and my renters. But when I was asked to relocate for work, I was worried about how I'd manage not only my investment properties, but also my own home. Thankfully, I found LandLord. I was immediately impressed by their responsive, experienced approach. I was directly connected with an advisor who really cared about helping me through my unique situation. They took the time to understand my needs and were extremely knowledgeable about what it means to be a landlord. My principal home was quickly occupied by excellent, highly qualified tenants who respected the property as if it was their own. And LandLord's user-friendly online portal gave me access to property inspection reports with photos, real-time financial statements, monthly reports, and even invoices for my approved expenses. On top of all of that, I was assigned an account manager who was quick to respond to emails and picked up the phone whenever I or my tenants called. With my home tenanted, I was able to turn my attention to an overdue project, renovating a tired kitchen in one of my rental properties. LandLord did such an excellent job managing that project that I trusted them with a bigger renovation, transforming a single-family investment property into a multi-unit residence. LandLord handled it end-to-end, including tenanting the new units, and I was able to dramatically increase my cash flow. Over time, LandLord's team of realtors helped me identify other investment opportunities and helped me sell off underperforming properties and purchase others with greater income potential. Their understanding of Toronto's real estate market made my transactions simple and stress-free. Looking back, I can't imagine managing my investment property portfolio without the help of the LandLord team.